Hi everyone, I'm here today to do a what's in my bag video. I'm in Aspen's room. This is kind of his hangout where he looks out the window and watches the traffic go by and barks at dogs. But it has the best light in the house, and so I thought I would attempt a what's in my bag for this bag. This is the, as I said, the Glenna, and it is in the pattern Mickey's Sweet Treats, and it's a Disney collaboration. Vera, these are limited edition. I found this on eBay for a really good price, marked less than half off, and it seems to be an almost new condition from what I can tell. I don't see any stains or wear marks. I didn't even wash it because it just was in great condition when it arrived. So this pattern is Mickey's Sweet Treats, and it's called that because of obviously the Mickey, and the Sweet Treats is the little hidden sort of cupcakes. You can see cupcakes here. There is, in these medallions, there's sort of ice cream cones. I'm trying to find an ice cream cone. These are donuts with glaze that are shaped in the shape of the ears. Here's an ice cream cone. And I think there's more ice cream cones around the outside of this medallion. There's cotton candy shaped in the ears. And then, of course, it has the characters on it. So I got some good placement here with Goofy here and Pluto here. I've got Mickey and Minnie. There seems to be two of each of the two versions of each of the characters on the bag, so we'll try to hunt for those as we're going through. The center of the medallions is Mickey smiling. You see his feet here. Let's see who else we have. So there's Minnie. Here's Donald over here. I really like these flowers. So this is kind of a mixture of flowers and medallion looking pieces on it. Here's some other kind of medallion looking things. I really like the color, and think I'm not a huge Glenna fan, but I thought that this, it's hard to find Disney at a reasonable price, and I thought this pattern was nice with the femininity of the Glenna. All these sort of icy, creamy colors, and then the purples and pinks. Yeah, so I thought that looked really good. So the Glenna is sort of a medium-sized bag, I think. I wouldn't call it large. And it has no side pockets, but it has a front and a back pocket. And then it has a hidden pocket over on the side here, kind of tucked back here. So we'll look at that in a second. It has these straps that you can tighten the cinch if you want to cinch it up, or you can leave it open to get it a little wider for you if you have more things inside of it. It has the grab handles with the pleather sort of strips. I think that gives it a little bit more durability, and maybe even keeps it from sliding off your shoulder. I think that has helped me. And then they're attached with the metal. Yeah, so on this side we have Minnie and Donald. I thought I saw another version of Minnie over here. And there's also, I think, here's the other version of Minnie here with the purple polka dotted skirt. I don't think I saw Daisy on here anywhere. I don't think that she is in this pattern. I think it's just 5 of them. So that's sort of the style of it. It's, I think, considered a satchel with the 2 handles. So yeah, let's look inside and see what I'm carrying in it. In this back pocket, I've got 2 masks. This one is French Paisley, and I'm carrying this new one I just got from the last sale on Vera. The masks were marked down a lot. We're in Utah, we're almost done with masks here. I still wear one in crowded areas, but they're phasing out, that's for sure. This is Foxwood Fauna Burgundy. I believe that's the name of this pattern. This was the interior in a blackberry velvet bag. Yeah, so that's that mask. Don't think there's anything else in that pocket. And then in this pocket back here, I've got a notebook, just a little notebook that has some pages, my Olive and June notebook. And yeah, so that's in that front pocket. I don't think I have anything else in there, no. And then on the side pocket, let's see, let me flip this around again. Get some better light here for you. On the side pocket, there's a zip that goes from top to bottom. I did notice when I was sort of getting ready for this video, there's no, the ribbons don't have any markings on them at all. And it's kind of funny. I didn't remember Vera having plain ribbons ever, but maybe just missed it. So I have my power brick in there. That's what's inside here. This pocket goes pretty much top to bottom and about to where the Mickey is over here. So it's a pretty big pocket behind there. Has this recessed zipper, and I like that. I think that it doesn't look too recessed. And then let's get into the bag here. So this the fold kind of folds up when you open the bag, which is nice. And the interior pattern is Sweet Treats Ditzy. So it has more of the concentrated, like the small elements of the treats. And so you've got the ice cream bars shaped like a Mickey head. There's ice cream cones, cotton candy. Right here, this is the cotton candy ears. There's cupcakes and ice cream sundaes. There's an ice cream cone right here. Yeah, so lots of cute little elements, pinks and purples, and the browns. So inside the bag, I have, sorry, this is kind of throwing a little bit of yellow. Inside the bag, I've got a variety of things. So let's just take a look at what's in here. So first thing is my glasses case in Hummingbird Park. So I've been carrying this and switched it out of the last bag that I was in. Really pretty, and I thought it went well with this, with kind of the purples and pinks. So where's my hummingbird? Over here. There's my little hummingbird. And then this is my favorite flower. Love this. I've got a wallpaper screen on my iPad of this pattern. I love the way it looks. So that's my glasses case. Let's see, why don't we go, this is the back pocket. And it's got the purple ribbon, the purple material for the zipper, purple zipper, plastic. And in here I have a couple other screen wipes and a mask, another mask. My cord keeper in Butterfly Flutter. And then my tissues, I don't have my tissue carrier today. I just put everything in there to save a little room. I've got my AirPods in there. I don't think there's anything else, nope, in that pocket. And then on the interior here, I've got a couple of little pouches. This one is Pink Cupcake. This is a little bit older pattern. I thought it's kind of cute with this. And inside of here, I've got my, keeping my, there's a sanitizing wipe, Band-Aids, and my asthma spray is in there. So that's what's in that pouch. I have this pouch in Boysenberry. I think this is a little tech case, actually. Or, I don't know if it's a tech case or a... Yeah, I think it's a tech case. Let me open this up. So this is, yeah, as I said, it's Boysenberry. Liked the purple with this. And I've got my allergy drops and some ibuprofen in there. So that's that. I'm carrying my Bon Bon Medallion Small Cosmetic. I think it's, I don't know if this is I always get confused between the mini and the small, but this has got my, I've got a few little lip balms and an eyeliner in there, I think, and then the bigger stuff is in here. Sorry, you guys, it's hard to open one-handed. So there's my, all my little kind of makeup. There's a, like a cream blush that I use. This is a cuticle moisturizer. I've got a mascara. This is a little bit of a, some of these things are from an Ipsy bag, and so they're just like random things. One's a little eyeshadow. This one is a blush, or yeah, I think that's a blush. Little bit of a tint, like face tint in a sunscreen. And then this is the Glossier. I saw this on Instagram, so this is a mascara that I got. I gotta stop buying stuff from Instagram. It's like I have to delete Instagram from my phone. A lip oil and then a lipstick. So yeah, that's kind of, I think there's an under eye cream in there. So that's what's in my Bon Bon Medallion. I thought that was really cute with the, I really like the sort of icy minty blues and the pinks. Not quite a good match, but good enough. All right, let's see what else is in here. I've got my, oh, I guess this fell out of one of the pockets. This is my vanilla hand cream. So that was in one of the pockets. And then I'm carrying Carson cell phone crossbody for my phone. And this is in, I think it's Mickey's Celebration, if I remember right. This is the interior pattern for Mickey's Celebration. So it's really cute. Got all the sort of flowers that are shaped like the Mickey ears. So I thought that was kind of a nice thing to put in the bag. I've also got my checkbook cover, carrying around some things. I gotta go to the bank, and this is I think it's a mulled wine magenta mulled wine medallion. This is the interior to the leather bag that I just got. Really like that. So I was still carrying that from the last bag that I was carrying around. So, and then I'm using this, I think it's Mickey's Whimsical Balloons. I got this and the bag. This is the interior of another bag, which I can't remember the name of. And I got this from the Sevier, Tennessee outlet. I guess, you know, it's kind of, you can get some of the Disney 50% off when they put it on sale there. So I called down there and got the bag and this lanyard and zip ID. So this is really cute with the Mickey here. So I thought that was cute. And then it's got the Mickey head clasp keyring. Very cute. So it's kind of a quick release keyring here. Here's the quick release there. Sorry, it's hard to do one-handed. Anyway, so that's my wallet that I'm carrying. So I've got the lanyard and the wallet in the balloons. Let's see what else is in here. I've got my hand sanitizer. And I think that's it for that pocket. So there's 3 slip pockets on this side and then that zipper in the back. I've got my key fob, another wipe, some receipts. And in this pocket is comb and a Vera Bradley pen and my little itsy ditsy measuring tape. So that's all that I'm carrying in there. This is a headband, I guess. This was left over for when I had my procedure the other day. They asked me to put a headband on to keep the hair out of my face. So I guess that ended up in my bag. Yeah, so that's kind of it. I am enjoying this bag. Probably be in it for another, at least till the end of this week, and then I'll move back. I'll move into something else. Hopefully, I actually had a thread-up order that's supposed to be here, so there may be something in there that I might move into. I think that's it. I don't have any other news or anything. Thanks for coming and hanging out and watching me unload my bag and hanging out and, you know, saying hi. So I think that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.